In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $574 in the past 24 hours completely passively, and I'm going to show you proof of my earnings just in a bit and the exact products that I promoted. So all you have to do is basically set this up. It takes 10 minutes of your time, just like I'm going to show you in this video, and the website that I'm going to show you does all of the work for you. And this is a website that I've not talked about on my channel before. It's very new, so this is the perfect time to make use of it. And it's actually super simple because if you just use what I'm going to show you in this video, you can get results from this. And it's completely free to do. I didn't spend any money on ads or any membership fees or to take out my card information or anything like that. It's completely free to do, and it's also worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are because it's all online based. All you need is your mobile phone and your laptop, and you can literally sit at the beach and do this if you want to. And maybe you just need an internet connection, and that's all you need to run this, is because everything is online based off your PC. You don't need an office, you don't need a cubicle where you have to sit 9 till 5 working all day. You can do this whenever you'd like to as well. So I just quickly want to show you my dashboard of what I earned from this. So you'll see on the 17th and the 18th of December, I got 2 sales promoting this affiliate product. I'm going to show you exactly what I promoted in a bit. It's something really new as well. So just to show you 2 sales, which is a total of 574. So you can tell it's quite a high ticket product. And the nice thing about a high ticket product is 1 or 2 sales a month, or just 1 or 2 sales alone, is a lot of money. It's not like one of those small $10, $20 sale. You'll see on the 17th of December it was $387, and the 18th of December $187. Just to refresh, to show you that this is my live dashboard and not a edited screenshots or anything like that. You can see this is my live earnings from that, and then this I've set to withdraw via PayPal. You can actually set this to withdraw via I think it's wire transfer, where it actually goes directly to your bank if your country doesn't support PayPal. So what's nice is this pays out worldwide as well. And the affiliate product that I've actually been promoting is my Drop Servicing Expert Bootcamp. So you'll see if I actually scroll down, you can actually become an affiliate for this bootcamp completely for free. So over here you can see all the bonuses that are included. Over here you can see you can actually unlock a tier 2 affiliate program. So what you can do is when you decide to become an affiliate, you can come to this page. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the first link in the description where you can go to this page and become an affiliate. So over here you'll see you'll become an ambassador for this program, and when you share this program with somebody, you will get 30% commissions. That's $150 plus minus on tier 1 and 10% on tier 2 commissions, meaning if you refer someone to this course and they refer someone to this course, you get 10% off them as well. So that's a total of 40%. So that's why this affiliate program can bring in passive income as well. And as I mentioned, now this bootcamp course is actually my 6-figure drop servicing expert course, where I teach people and mentor people how I build my successful drop servicing stores. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Jay, and I run 4 different 4 to 5 figure drop servicing agencies, and my top drop servicing store made $228,000 in 2020 alone. Over here you'll actually see I've got an entire 25-minute free training that is packed with a lot of value. This free training consists of a lot of information that a lot of people actually charge for, but I put this in this free training. I value this course to be well over $9,400 in bonuses. You'll actually see everything that is included on this page, so you can head over to the first link in the description if you just want to get this free training. It's just a ton of free value here. And from there you'll see me on this page, and you can actually become an affiliate for this as well, like I spoke about now. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on become an affiliate for free over here. So click on this button, it's going to take you to this page. You need to click on affiliate sign up. It's then going to ask you if you want to sign in or free sign up. If you choose free sign up, you just have to enter this following information. Really easy, there's no fee, but I've already got an affiliate account for this, or like a test affiliate account, so I'm going to sign in with that. It's then going to take you to this page over here where you click on my link, you click on your affiliate link. Over here you will see your affiliate links, and this is the link you just want to copy. Let's just go save this in a tab over here. For example, we can just save that there. And now when people go to this link, if I click on enter, just to show you, it's going to take you to the landing page over here. And when people go ahead and join this bootcamp, you will get 30% direct referral commissions and also tier 2 10% commissions, which brings in passive income. So now what we need to go and do is, so now that you've got your affiliate link, we actually want to come use this document over here. So this is basically a document called the 60 days Seinfeld email sequence. So this is a email sequence or resource that we can go and use to make boatloads of money online with an entire 60-day, that's an email every day for 60 days, getting clients into our affiliate program or purchasing our affiliate product. So you'll see over here, I've got email number 1 all the way down to this page over here. It takes a while to load, all the way down to email number 60 at the bottom here somewhere. So at the top, you'll see what you're going to go and do is you can literally go and copy paste these emails. You just replace these links. And there's actually two ways that we can go and do this. I'm going to show you an amazing way that we can actually use like a free way where we just go use a basic page or landing page builder or landing page bridge page, so this tool doesn't ban our affiliate link. And then from there we can use money from that to go invest into an email automation tool to skyrocket our earnings. So I'm first going to do this from back to front. So I'm going to show you how the email works, and then I'm going to show you the free method. So make sure to keep watching for that. So over here, we can basically go and use a tool called Kartra, where we can go and build beautiful landing pages, import done for you campaigns, import done for you checkouts, membership areas, Kartra mail, and it also has automation email function to it. So take a look at this. Over here, this is a example landing page that I created. So this is for example, like a giveaway where I said to people, if you guys want like a free training or want like a free ebook, enter your first name and email address and I'll send that over. So what you can go and do is you can go and use this tool called Kartra to go and build a quick landing page like this, where you can go and set this Kartra tool to send out an email every day for 60 days. You'll see over here on your Kartra dashboard, there's actually an entire Kartraverse training portal where it will teach you how to do that completely for free, how to line up all the emails and set that up. So it's very easy if you want to go and create a landing page like this to capture emails and build an email list and monetize that through various different offers and get affiliate commissions on a daily basis. So if you guys want this 60-day email high converting document, all I will appreciate is leave a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on. I can see who's subscribed. I've got a tool called vidIQ that shows me who's subscribed to the channel, and leave a comment down below that you've done so, and I'll reply to that comment with the download link or the direct link to the Google document drive where you can go and download this document. And then the next step is, if you don't want to try out Kartra, because Kartra does have a trial that you go and use that's 14 days. So what you can do is you can use the trial and within those 14 days make money and use it to pay off your Kartra account. But if you don't want to try Kartra at all, we can go and use a free tool called bio.fm. All you're going to do is you're going to sign up for free if you don't have an account, sign in if you do have an account already. I want to show you something really cool over here. So bio.fm is a free bridge page builder. All you do is you paste your affiliate link, because the tool that I'm going to show you that actually does all this work for you bans affiliate links. So I'm just quickly showing you a way that we can use like a bridge page either through Kartra like this or through this free tool over here, so it doesn't ban us. It's quite a cool like trick around the system. So then all we're going to do is I'm just going to sign in with my email quickly. And over here, you want to click on tap to add content. You want to click on link and websites. Over here, you want to click on next. And here you want to choose the URL. You want to paste your affiliate link. For your title, we want to put click here to earn now. And then for the title, we can put 6-figure drop servicing bootcamp and mentorship. And then all we can do is we can click on add block, and then we click on publish. Now this link over here, this bio.fm link, you can use as your link, and when people land on this page, let me just show you in incognito mode to show you what it looks like as from a visitor's point of view. It's going to look like this, where people can then click here to earn now, and then it's going to take them through my affiliate link on this page to the landing page of the Drop Servicing Expert 6-Figure Bootcamp. Now what I really like about this is this page over here does not get banned because it's not a direct affiliate link or anything like that. So now that you've got your bio.fm link, you want to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. And also make sure to keep watching, because I'm going to show you the exact script that I used to get my $570 in just one day doing this. So if I show you, you can either sign in or register with an account. And this website is basically a database of various different niches, forums, and communities that are put together that are looking for specific products or services in that niche. So you can take a look here. It's mostly finance related. So you've got make money, sub forums, articles, surveys, get paid tos, affiliates forums, cryptocurrency forums, Bitcoin forums, Ethereum forums, Forex forums, buy, sell, and trade forums, and review forums. A whole bunch of other different niches over here, such as insurance, payday loans, career marketing, pay-per-click advertising, running a business ideas, and there's so many different niches that we can go and choose from. So I suggest go and choose the make money selection over here. And over here you can see, for example, this person over here, for example, posted this. It's now 3 p.m. just 2 hours ago has already got 405 views and 25 answers on his article. This person today, 767 views, 37 answers. So this website's getting a lot of traffic. People are constantly on here viewing these articles, and I'm going to show you how we can actually go and get affiliate commissions with this. And the best part is, if you're using the Kartra strategy where you're building like your own landing pages and collecting emails, you can collect all these people's emails and run multiple affiliate offers and make money long term every single day by building a big email list and audience through your email campaign. So over here, what we can go and do is we can go, for example, choose this one over here. Let's go start earning today, or let's go make $250 a day reading emails. So let's click on this over here. What you want to do is you can see a couple of people are interested and are replying over here. And what you can go and do is you can go and create your own thread over here, or you can go and reply to current people that are interested in this thread. So you can see if, for example, this person says he's interested, they say they're interested. Just scroll down, take a look at all these replies. You can also post your own reply over here. So what you can go and do is you can go respond to, for example, this person over here that says they're interested, and you want to type something like this: hey there, if you would like a 25-minute free training, let's put free, on this $0 to $5,000 in 30 days drop servicing challenge, send me a message and I'll send it over. Why you're sending it like this is because you're showing them that you're not this bot or anything like that. You're saying, listen, if you're interested, rather send me a message, then I'll send it over. It just shows that you are an authentic and real person and not this bot copying and pasting and spamming this link templates everywhere. So it just also builds a bit of trust with each and every person. Then what you can do is you can click on reply over here, and that's it. And then what you can also go and do is we can actually go one back to the forums over here, and you can actually click on post your own thread. And what you want to go and do is you want to go click on a money making forum. Let's go make money. That's the forum or thread that we're interested in, and you want to type something like this: $0 to $5,000 in 30 days drop servicing bootcamp, free training here. And you want to put here, click here for a free 25-minute training. Now this link over here is not going to get banned simply because it's a bridge page. If something does go wrong and it does get banned, all you do is just click on space between the .com or the .fm and put in brackets, copy this link to your browser and remove any spaces. That's just a great way to instruct people what to do. And then all you can do is you can click on post thread over here, and boom, that's a great way to get traffic to your affiliate link and to get sales. And the thing is, this post is going to be on this website for a long time. So posts that you've made months back could still be getting views and clicks today, and therefore still be getting you commissions today. So you kind of see how consistency and effort over this long time can actually build up to a lot of traffic. Now imagine you've got a Kartra page going where you actually collect emails, all the emails that you could collect over the months to come. So something like this is very scalable. There's a lot of potential with this to make a lot of money online if you work smartly, just like I taught you. So this website that I've been speaking about the entire time is called trendy.com. So you want to come over to trendy.com, post a thread, reply to a couple of people, so that you can get a ton of traffic to your affiliate link. And something like this may get you a couple of hundreds of dollars per day. But if you guys want something that's a lot more sustainable and will get you results a lot more, over here, I'm going to actually show you the 25-minute free training that I was speaking about, which is the actual affiliate product that we've been talking about throughout this video. So over here, I'll leave a first link in the description for you to come and take a look at this 25-minute free training. And this will show you results of my drop servicing stores, how I do drop servicing, what it is, and how this can potentially be life-changing for you. So this entire bootcamp is years of knowledge, experience, and expertise that I've put together in one long 57 video course, showing you. You'll actually see some of all the bonuses over here. You're going to get full lifetime access to my drop servicing bootcamp. You get an invite to my VIP drop servicing expert group. You get a list of my current, future, and top 3 service categories that made me over 6 figures in 2020. And the best part is my winning Google Ads and drop servicing combo. So I actually have an entire winning Google Ads formula for drop servicing that I created that wins me a lot of success with drop servicing that I reveal entirely in this bootcamp. And then I have an entire email marketing strategy or lecture where I teach you how you can even skyrocket more earnings with email marketing and building an email list, saving thousands of dollars with drop servicing, free traffic tricks as well as creating the ultimate brand that will sell your service. And then I've got an entire interesting case study or lecture where I teach you how you can drop service without a website, and how you can actually go and make money without actually spending a single cent. And this whole bootcamp is one-on-one video mentoring with me. So if you want to go and check this out, head over to the first link in the description. You'll actually see everything that's included. Definitely suggest watch this free training, and also on the screen above I will leave a link to that. But also guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got a lot of value, and I'll see you on the other side.